Battery replacement instructions for UPS SBP Plus. 4 models: 450 VA, 650 VA, and 800 VA. When it's time to replace the battery, the SBP Plus will beep and display an A62 code. To mute the beep, press the on and off button twice. To replace the battery, turn off the UPS by pressing the on and off button for 3 seconds, unplug it and unplug all connected equipment. Turn the UPS upside down and unscrew all 4 screws located at the base of the UPS, making sure to use the lowest torque setting. Make sure you loosen up all screws before going to the next step. Flip the UPS and pull the top cover from the back. Then unhook and pull the front panel and put aside. Unplug the wires carefully and remove the battery. Place the new battery inside by making sure the terminals are facing the front of the unit. The battery should slide in and fit comfortably in its place. Put the top cover back on by sliding it down the back of the bottom panel. Make sure there are no wires coming out when putting the top cover back on. Place the top of the front cover first. The bottom should snap back in place. Hold all panels together tightly and turn the UPS upside down. Drop the screws inside the holes and screw all 4 screws tightly. For additional information or technical support, give us a call.